Ever feel like no matter how much you sleep, you're still exhausted? You're not alone. Constant fatigue isn't just about lack of sleep. It's about how you fuel and treat your body. If you're tired of feeling tired, here are quick and powerful fixes to boost your energy instantly. Fix your sleep quality, not just quantity. It's not just how long you sleep, it's how well you sleep. Keep your room cool, dark, and tech-free to improve sleep quality. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of deep, uninterrupted sleep. Stop hitting snooze. Each time you hit snooze, you confuse your brain, making you feel even groggier. Instead, set your alarm for when you actually need to wake up and get out of bed immediately. Hydrate, first thing in the morning. Dehydration is a major cause of fatigue. Drink a glass of water as soon as you wake up to rehydrate your body and kickstart your metabolism. Get natural light ASAP. Light is your best friend. As soon as you wake up, open those curtains or step outside for a few minutes. Morning sunlight resets your body clock and boosts alertness. Cut down on caffeine in the afternoon. Too much caffeine disrupts your sleep cycle, making you more tired the next day. Switch to herbal tea or water after 2 p.m. to avoid energy crashes. Move your body throughout the day. Even light exercise increases circulation and energy. Stretch, take a quick walk, or do 10 jumping jacks to wake up your body and mind. Eat energy-boosting foods. Skip the sugar rush and eat protein, fiber, and healthy fats. Eggs, nuts, and whole grains keep your energy steady all day. Take short, refreshing breaks. Staring at a screen for too long drains your energy. Use the 20-20 rule. Every 20 minutes, look 20 feet away for 20 seconds. Try deep breathing or meditation. A few deep breaths increase oxygen flow to your brain, reducing tiredness fast. Try 4-7-8 breathing. Inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 7, and exhale for 8. Set a consistent wake-up time. Your body loves routine. Waking up at the same time every day, even on weekends, helps you feel more refreshed in the morning. Tired of being tired? Start with just 1 or 2 of these hacks, and you'll feel the difference. Which one will you try first? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more life-changing tips. See you next time!